Turn on Ultimate Performance. First press Win+R. And then type CMD. I will put the command in description. Copy and paste it to CMD and hit enter. Press Win+R again and type Control Panel. Click Hardware and Sound. Click Power option. Select Ultimate Performance. This is optional, you don't need to follow all of them. Hit Apply and close Control Panel. Download and install Quick CPU. I will put link download in description and download it same as your operating system. Open Quick CPU. Select Ultimate Performance and set as active. Put all of them to 100%. Click Apply and close it. Set priority to high permanently. Right-click on your game and select Open File Location. Copy your name game including .exe. Press Win+R, type regedit. Open this folder directory. In Image File Execution Options, right-click and make New Key. Change it with your game name. Right-click on it and make New Key. Change it with Perf Options. Right-click on Perf Options and make new DWord 32-bit. Rename it with CPU Priority class. Change number 0 to 3. Click OK and close it.